There's a difference between a house that works and a home that feels like it truly fits you. That difference? Attunement. Attunement is harmony, is tuning into yourself, your space, and the people you love. It's the moment your home stops working against you and starts working with you. Most of us design homes the way we think we're supposed to. Attunement is designed for the way you actually live. Last week, we talked about desire, what you truly want from your home. This week, let's turn that desire into something you notice every day. I'm JohnRoss. I help people create homes that not only look good, they feel right for the life you actually live. When your home is attuned to you, ordinary moments become better. Mornings are calmer. Meals are warmer. Even the quiet moments feel like they belong to you. It's not about more space or more money. It's about noticing what you need and adjusting your space to support you. The kitchen is the heart of your home. Too often it works against you. Attunement means solving daily frictions. Tired of everyone crowding your counters? While you cook, set out a slim bench or a rolling cart. Now friends can hang out and help without being in the way. Coffee feels like a scavenger hunt. Make a tray with your favorites, a mug, spoon, and beans. Your day starts with a ritual, not a scramble. Trash can in the wrong spot? Move it near where you prepped. Suddenly, cleanup is easy. When the kitchen works with you, chores turn into connection. Every meal becomes a moment. You start and end every day here. Make it a place that restores, not only a room you rush through. Attunement is simple. Hang a hook where your hand naturally reaches for your robe. Add a dimmable lamp for a soft evening light. Choose a bath mat that feels good underfoot. It's not about luxury. It's about following your real routines. Attunement shows up in the details no one photographs. A chair angled for a sunrise. A side table just right for your team. A lamp that lets you read without glare. A window cracked open for fresh air at night. These small touches quietly say, I see you. I know what you need. You don't need a renovation. You need attention. Pick one room. Ask yourself, what do I actually do here every day? Where does the space work against me? What's one small change that would bring it closer to the way I live? Make that change. Move that lamp. Add the book. Clear the counter. Attunement isn't about doing more. It's about noticing more. Architects have understood attunement for centuries. They shaped cities for people, not only cars. Designed homes for comfort, not only for looks. That wisdom is yours. Your home doesn't have to be perfect. It has to support the life you actually live. Which room in your home feels out of tune? What's one small change you could make this week? If you believe your home should work for you, not the other way around, you're in the right place. Try this quick Attunement Mini-Check. Does the space welcome you? Is your favorite thing easy to reach? Does your space make you smile when you enter? If you answer no to any of them, start there. Join our discussion on Reddit. Share your progress, ask questions, and connect with others. If this episode changed how you see your space, share it with a friend. Good ideas are meant to be shared. Attunement isn't a trend. It's a classic principle, the foundation of a home that lasts. See you next time.